Welcome back to Thriving and Balanced. Thanks for being here. I've shown you how I plan my days. Now, this week, here's what actually happens. Hey, I can see that the videos are being watched. Do me a solid and like them so my small channel can grow. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my content. Let's go. The 4 a.m. is still a challenge. This week alone, I have slipped back into my slumber until the second 4:30 alarm chimes. Then I have to get up because I know I need to get ready for work. My days don't always go as planned. Some days your water heater goes out at 1 a.m. in the morning. Some days you have your heater on to cut the morning chill and it trips the breaker box, shutting everything down after I've already logged on. Some days my video call will not cooperate and it makes me log in 5 or 6 times before it'll connect. If anyone knows why this happens, please let me know in the comments. So even with the best intention to stick to my schedule, I never know when I need to pivot. I first plan out my month with weekly topics. This takes pre-thinking on my part to come up with content that I think is interesting, content that I would want to look at or take any suggestions from. I take a lot of photos of the balance between my work and my life. After a week of picture taking, I review them all and break them into weekly categories. And then I'm off to editing. It takes a lot of time to edit these photos. Then I start filling in the video template with the content and the images to match. Meal prep is one of my favorite times of the week. Sheet pan roasting is a favorite of mine, and here is one that won't disappoint. Fresh veggies and organic mild and chicken apple sausage. It's delicious. The recipe is in the description. No matter how carefully we plan, life has a way of surprising us and shaking things up. The best we can do is embrace those moments and steer ourselves back on track. Flexibility is key, and being able to pivot when needed is part of life's rhythm. Without that adaptability, even the best plans can feel rough. So stick to your daily routine, live life fully, and remember to smile. There's so much to be grateful for. Thanks for watching, and until next time.